Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to save instantly when you shop and eat out? Let me show you how to find and use Cash App Boost near you. So, what are Cash App Boosts? Cash App Boosts are special discounts you can apply when using your cash card. They help you to save money instantly at popular stores, restaurants, and services, both online and nearby. And here's how to find your boost near you. First, open your Cash App. Launch the app on your phone. Second, look at the bottom and tap the card symbol. Next, scroll through available offers and tap Add Boost to activate. And then, Cash App may ask to access your location, approve it to see local deals around you. And the last step, which is optional, choose from categories like food, coffee, retail, and more. So that means you can filter by store type. Now here's how to use a boost. Activate the boost before you purchase. So tap the one you want and confirm it's active. Next, use your cash card to pay. So only cash card payments like online or in-store can apply a boost. Now lastly, see instant savings. The discount applies right away, so no waiting or codes. And here's the tips to keep you in mind. One boost at a time. So you can only have one active boost, but you can swipe anytime. And second is some boosts expire, so check often. Third, some deals required are minimal purchases. And lastly is location-based deal. So move around your cities and check again because new options may appear sometimes. But what if a boost isn't working? Make sure your cash card is selected as a payment and then confirm the boost is active before checkout. And lastly, check the terms and limit for that offer. And my final thoughts is Cash App Boosts are an easy way to save money every day, especially at local spots near you. So keep checking your boost list and take advantage of discounts that match your routine. So and that's it. Try out those boosts and save big. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Cash App tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.